Nymiz is an advanced data anonymization platform powered by AI and natural language processing. It detects and transforms sensitive data in documents and databases, not only PDFs, but also Word, Excel, images, emails, in both structured and unstructured formats. It uses reversible or irreversible techniques. This protects privacy without losing utility, context, or structure, and allows data to be shared or analyzed securely and in compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, CPRA, and similar regulations. Our technology reduces anonymization time by up to 80%, while maintaining 95% accuracy in detecting sensitive data. It also simplifies workflows for securely using machine learning, LLMs, or generative AI, preserving data value without compromising privacy. Available as SaaS, API, or on-premises, Nymiz adapts to different environments with precision, speed, and scalability. Adobe Acrobat Pro offers two main methods for removing sensitive information: redaction and sanitization. Redaction involves permanently removing visible blocks of text, while sanitization removes hidden metadata, comments, and other invisible elements that could compromise privacy. Although useful for removing visible data or metadata, these features are manual, page by page, and not designed for automated workflows, language analysis, mass anonymization, or specific compliance with complex regulations. Now, let's see how Nymiz outperforms Adobe when facing real-world anonymization challenges at scale. Adobe requires manual page-by-page editing. In contrast, Nymiz automatically processes large documents, maintaining structural integrity and saving time. Adobe relies on manual intervention. Nymiz automates the detection and protection of sensitive data, reducing human error and freeing up operational time. Adobe applies generic blocks. Nymiz allows you to define adaptive methods, tokenization, pseudonymization, or synthetic substitution, based on data type and context. These capabilities make Nymiz the preferred choice for organizations that prioritize real privacy, regulatory compliance, and efficiency in complex workflows. Want to see how it works in your environment? Book your demo today and try it for yourself.